At first, you'll have to type Steam and wait for it and click welcome to Steam, and then click here and join Steam and enter your email address first, and now confirm it. Okay, you can copy and paste and select your country and solve the captcha. Okay, yeah, then verify it. You'll have to be 13 years old to create a Steam account. Click here and continue. Okay, now you'll have to verify your email and go to your email mailbox, and then you'll find this Gmail. Click it. Now click verify my email address. It's verified. Come to the tab again, and then you'll see create your account. Write your name, account name. They will suggest. You can use suggested name. It's already taken. Okay, and it's available. Suggest. Now set your password. Confirm it. Okay, done. Your Steam account is ready. Now what we can do is you can install your Steam app. You can view your profile. And you can install the app. I'm installing that. I'll tell you how to log into app. Same way. Just use your username and password. I've downloaded it. Click. They will ask for install. Just hit next, next, and next. Install. It's done. Now it is updating. This is gonna take long. I'm showing you. After this, when you click the Steam app, they will ask for your username and password, and then you can use your username and password to log in. Clicking your Steam app, you will find something like this. Now use your username and password and then log in. And here is your Steam app. You can download and install any game you want. It's a game world. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Please, please, please. I have many tricks and tips about games. I have some games here too. Counter Strike.